Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I'm Lucy Flores. I'm 38 years old. I live in Barangay 20, Cabangan, Legazpi City. I'm single, no child.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We're 8 siblings.
And can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm undergraduate of college, BS Chemistry.
And what is the reason why you did not finish your college?
Lack of financial right.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes. I worked in Hong Kong for 8 years, one family.
What are your main duties in Hong Kong?
My main duty is to take care of a newborn child. I'll do the cooking, laundry, and household cleaning.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person, I'm patient, and I'm really want to learn new stuff for new family.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Also, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
And why do you want to work abroad?
To support my family and then my other siblings and then my niece and nephews.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
I'm okay with small dogs but not the bigger dogs.
Okay, I see. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos?
Usually with children with tantrums, I let them do their tantrums first and then wait patiently until they come down and see what they need after they do the tantrums.
That's right. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I'll promise I'll do my best to take care of you and your children and then help you with the household. Thank you.
Thank you.